Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about problems based on area and volume of cylinder, sphere and hemisphere. So without any delay, we discuss about different model of question. So our first question is the height and volume of a cylinder are 14 centimeter and 2156 cubic centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the base. So firstly we write here given solution, given the height and volume of the cylinder are given. So height of the cylinder S is equal to 14 centimeter and volume of cylinder V is equal to 2156 centimeter cube. Find the radius R is equal to what? So here are given two values. First one is height of the cylinder and next one is volume of the cylinder. By using these two we find the radius of the cylinder. We have volume V is equal to pi R square S, or the value of the volume is 2156 is equal to pi means 22 by 7 into the value of radius is not given, R square into S is 14 here. So 7 2's are 14. So to calculate this value, or 2156 is equal to 22's 2's are 44 into R square, or R square is equal to 2156 divided by 44 is equal to 49 unit. Therefore R is equal to 7 centimeter. So we can write here, therefore radius of the base R is equal to 7 centimeter. This is our answer. So we find a radius in this way when the height and volume of the cylinder are given. Then we discuss about the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is given here. Question number 2. The capacity of a closed cylinder, closed cylindrical pot, of height 1 meter, 1 meter is 15.4 liters. many square meters of metal sheet would we need? We need to make its base. This is our second question. Firstly, we should clear about the question, that is the capacity of a closed cylindrical pot of height 1 meter. That is solution. What are the given? First we write the given height of the cylinder Earth is equal to 1 meter, and the capacity means the volume of the cylinder V is equal to 15.4 liters. Like this. So we have here the height is given in the length, that is in meter, and volume or the capacity of that pot is given in the form of liter. So we have one relation, that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. We know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, or 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So here the height is given in the form of meter and volume is given in the liter. So we convert this volume in also the form of meter cube. So that is 15.4 by 1000 meter cube is the volume of that cylindrical pot. Again, we have, when the volume is given and height is given, the question asks us is how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make its base. It means base area A is equal to what? We have volume. V is equal to volume of the cylinder. Cylinder is a kind of prism, so we have volume V is equal to A into L. That is base area into height. Or the value of volume is 15.4 by 1000 is equal to base area A into Earth's height is 1 meter. So therefore A is equal to 0.0154 meter square is the base area of that metal sheet. In this way, we find the base area when height and volume of the cylinder are given. So let's discuss about our third question. Our third question is question number 3. The height and the radius of a cylinder are equal and its curved surface area is 1232 square centimeter. Find the circumference of the base of the cylinder. First, we read the question very carefully. Here is given that the height and radius of the cylinders are equal. There is one cylinder having equal unit of height and radius. So given right here height and is equal to radius is equal to r unit. Suppose here height and radius of the cylinders are equal here given. So suppose here like height is equal to radius is equal to r unit, or r unit is what? Centimeter here. So we write here r centimeter. And curved surface area is equal to curved surface area CSA is equal to 1232 centimeter square. Find the circumference of the base of the cylinder. So we find here what is the circumference of the base. So we use this circumference of the base. C is equal to what? We have when the curved surface area is given, we use C and A of cylinder. Cylinder is a kind of prism, so CSA of cylinder is equal to P yards. P into yards. Or CSA is given here 1, 2, 3, 2 is equal to B means perimeter of the base. Base is here circular base, so perimeter of the circle or circumference of the circle is 2 pi r into S is equal to r here. So or 1, 2, 3, 2 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r into r, that is equal to r square. Or 1, 2, 3, 2 into 7 by 44 is equal to r square, or r square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 into that is equal to 196. Therefore, R is equal to 14 centimeters. Radius of the base and height are equal, that is equal to 14 centimeters. So question asks us to find the circumference of the base. Therefore, circumference of the base C is equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 14 centimeters. So 7 2s are 57. 2 into 7 is 44 into 2, that is equal to 88 centimeters is the circumference of the base of the circle. This is about our third question. Here, curved surface area is given. Radius and height of the cylinder are equal, and find the circumference. In this way, we find the circumference of the cylinder. Okay. This is about our third question. So let's discuss about the fourth question. Question number 4. Question number 4. The sum of the radius of the base and height of the cylinder is 15 centimeters. The sum of the radius and height of a cylinder is 15 centimeters, and the circumference of its base is 44 centimeters. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. So first we read very carefully this question. The sum of the radius and height of the cylinder. That is what is given here. Sum of radius and height is equal to 15 centimeters. That is R plus plus is equal to 15 centimeters. Here, therefore, R is equal to 15 minus plus. Let's suppose this is 1. And next one is given here. The circumference of its base. Circumference of the cylinder of the base C is equal to 44 centimeters. We have circumference of the cylinder is the circular one, so or circumference of the 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeters, or 2 into 22 by 7 into centimeter, 44 pencil, therefore R is equal to 7 centimeter. When the value of R is 7 centimeter, then we use that from equation 1, putting the value of R in equation 1, we get 7 is equal to 15 minus years, therefore years is equal to 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8 centimeters. So we get the value of R and years from here. Then TSA, total surface area, TSA of cylinder and the cylinder is equal to 2 pi R 1 into R plus years is equal to 2 pi R is the circumference of the base. So 2 pi R is equal to 44 centimeter here, and R plus years means 15 centimeter here. Without finding the value of R and H also, we find the total surface area of cylinder by using this directly. If we are not able to remember this directly, we can do this way also, but 2 pi R, that is equal to 44 into 15. 2 pi R means circumference of the base, that is 44 into 15, that is equal to 660 centimeter square is the total surface area of cylinder. Without finding the value of R and years also, we find the total surface area by using directly this formula 2 pi R 1 to R plus years. 2 pi R is the circumference of the base, that is equal to 44 centimeter, and R plus years means the sum of height and radius, that is equal to 50 centimeter. So we discuss our fifth question. Okay, question number 5. Here is given that the curved surface area, the CURVE curved SURFACE surface area and total surface area are 104 cm square and 412 cm square respectively. Find the radius of this. Find the radius of base. Here is given that the curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder are 104 and 412 centimeters square respectively. That means curved surface area of cylinder is 104 centimeters square and total surface area of the cylinder is 412 centimeters square. Find the radius of the base. That is solution. given CSA of cylinder is equal to 104 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area of cylinder. TSA, total surface area of cylinder, is equal to 412 centimeters square. Then radius of the base R is equal to what? We have TSA of cylinder is equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 times of base area. We know that cylinder is a kind of prism. In prism, total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus 2 times of the base area. There are 2 equal and congruent bases, so we write here plus 2 times of base area. Or total surface area is given here 412 is equal to curved surface area 104 plus 2 times of base area is pi r square. Or we write here 412 minus 104, that is equal to 308. 308 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, or 308 into 7 by 44 is equal to r square, or r square is equal to 308 into 7 divided by 44, that is equal to 49 centimeter square. Therefore, radius r is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the base is equal to 7 centimeter. In this way, when curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder are given, we find the radius of base by using this formula. That is, total surface area of cylinder is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 times of the base area. So we discussed about our 6th question, that is related with sphere. Okay, our 6th question, question number 6. Question number 6. Here is given that if the volume of volume of a spherical offset is 9 pi by 2 centimeter cube. Find its diameter. Find its DRA and DER diameter. Here is given that if the volume of the sphere, solution volume V is equal to 9 pi by 3 centimeter cube, then question asks us to find the diameter D is equal to D is equal to what? We have sphere D is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere D is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, or the value of the volume is 9 pi by 3 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 3 and 3 cancel, pi and pi cancel. So, or 9 by 4 is equal to r cube, or r cube is equal to 9 by 4, that is equal to 2.25. Therefore r is equal to 2.25, that is equal to 1.31 centimeter. Therefore diameter D is equal to 2 times of the radius 2r, that is equal to 2 into 1.31 is equal to 2.62 centimeter is the diameter of the sphere. In this way, we find the radius and diameter when the volume of the spherical object, or that is sphere, is given. Then we start our next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. Next question, question number 7. 7. That is, the total surface area of hemisphere is the total surface area of a hemisphere is 115.5 square centimeter. What will be the length of that? What will be the length of its diameter? This is our 7th question. The total surface area of hemisphere is 115.5 square centimeter. What will be the length of that? This question is related with hemisphere. So, solution: TSA of hemisphere. Hemisphere. TSA is equal to 115.5 centimeter square centimeter, and the diameter D is equal to what? We have TSA is equal to total surface area of hemisphere, means curved surface area 2 pi r square plus base area pi r that is 3 pi r square, or TS is 115.5 is equal to 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square, or that is equal to 115.5 into 7 by 22 into 3, that is 66, is equal to r square, or r square is equal to 115.5 into 7 divided by 66, that is equal to 12.25. Therefore r is equal to under root 12.25, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore diameter diameter D is equal to 2r, that is equal to 2 into 3.5 is equal to 7 centimeter is the diameter of the base. This is about question number 7. So we start our 8th question, that is question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 8. Here is given that a solid metallical sphere, or SOLI, solid, METALLI, metallical sphere of radius 21 centimeter is cut into 2 equal halves. Find the total surface. Find the total surface area of the 2 hemispheres so formed. Okay, in this question, here is given that there is one metallical sphere of the radius 21 centimeter that cuts into 2 equal halves. That means they form 2 equal hemispheres. Find the total surface area of the 2 hemispheres so far. Show solution. Let's draw the figure at first to be more clear. Here are 2 hemispheres. When a sphere is cut into 2 equal halves, then they form 2 equal hemispheres having the radius of the hemisphere is same as the radius of the sphere. That means radius of the both hemispheres are equal to 21 centimeter. And find the total surface area of this both hemispheres. When we find the total surface area of one hemisphere and multiply by 2, we find the total surface area of both the hemispheres. So given here is given radius r is equal to 21 centimeter, and we find the TSA of one hemisphere. Is equal to 3 pi r square, is equal to 3 into 22 by 7 into pi is 21 to the square. That is equal to 66 into 21 into 21 by 7. 7 3s are 27 is equal to 66 into 21 into 3, that is equal to 4158 centimeter square is the TSA of one hemisphere. Therefore, TSA of both hemispheres is equal to 2 into TSA of one hemisphere, that is 4158 is equal to into 2, that is equal to 8316 centimeter square is the TSA of both hemispheres. So when the question is given in note this way, first we should find the TSA of one hemisphere, then to find the TSA of both hemispheres, multiply by 2. Don't forget, a radius of the sphere is equal to the radius of hemisphere. This is about question number 8. Then we go to the question number 9. That is question number 9. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9. Here is given that 8 solid iron spheres, 8 solid iron spheres with diameter is centimeter. Each are melted to form a sphere with diameter b centimeter. Find the ratio of A to B. Here is given that there are 8 solid hemispheres with the diameter a centimeter. Each are melted to form a sphere with diameter b centimeter. Find the ratio of n. When we melted, volume of the any solid object will not be changed. So firstly we find solution. Volume of spheres with diameter ACM, that is V1, volume 1 is equal to 8 into 4 by 3 pi r. R means A is the diameter here, 4 by 3 pi r. R means A by 2 pi r cube. This is the volume of 8 spheres, that is equal to 8 into 4 by 3 pi a cube by cube of 2, that is 8, is equal to 4 by 3 pi a cube. This is the volume of 8 spheres when diameter is equal to a centimeter. So similarly, volume of volume of sphere with diameter BCM, that is B2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r. R means diameter is B, so R is B by 2 cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 pi B cube by 8. 4 2s are 8, so that is equal to 1 by 3 to the 6 pi B cube is the volume of next sphere when the diameter of the sphere is B centimeter. When these first 8 spheres are melted and from this sphere we have V1 is equal to V2. That is, when the 8 spheres having the diameter 8 centimeters are melted and form one new sphere that having diameter is equal to V centimeter, volume of in both spaces are what? That is all V1, that is 4 by 3 pi a cube is equal to 1 by 6 pi b cube. Pi and pi are cancelled. 3 2s are 6, or a cube by b cube is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 8, or a by b to the whole cube is equal to 1 by 2 to the whole cube, or a by b is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we can write here a is to b is equal to 1 is to 2. In this way, we find the ratio of 2 diameters. And we have one question here, that is our last question. Question number 9, 10. Question number 10 is here. Okay. Question number 10. Question number 10. the spheres of diameter diameters 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter are melted and formed a single sphere. Find the diameter of that single sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. Here is given that here are 3 spheres having diameters. D1 is equal to 3 centimeter, D2 is equal to 4 centimeters, and D3 is equal to 5 centimeters. They all 3 spheres are melted and we form a big sphere. What is the diameter of that big sphere? The question is given in this way. So solution. Firstly, we write here given diameter of the sphere. Diameter of first sphere D1 is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, that is R1 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 centimeter. When the diameter of the first sphere is 3 centimeter, then radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Diameter of second sphere D2 is equal to 4 centimeter, that is R2, radius of the second sphere R2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Similarly, diameter of third sphere D3 is equal to 5 centimeter, that is R3 is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeter. First, we calculate the volume of all 3 spheres. Therefore, volume of first, second and third spheres is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube, that is the volume of first sphere, plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, this is the volume of second sphere, plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube, this is the volume of third sphere. And when we form one new sphere, that is the volume of all 3 spheres, volume of first, second and third sphere, that is volume of new sphere, SPHERE sphere is equal to, we take the common, 4 by 3 pi is the common in here, R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube. The volume of new sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi is cancelled, 4 by 3 pi is cancelled here. Then r cube is equal to r1, that is equal to 1.5 cube plus 2 cube plus 2.5 cube, or r is equal to cube root. The value of 1.5 cube, 1.5 cube plus 2 cube plus 2.5 cube, that is equal to 27. Therefore r is equal to 30. Therefore the radius of the new sphere is 3 centimeter cube. Therefore question asks is find the diameter. Therefore diameter diameter of new sphere d is equal to 2r, that is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. In this way we find the water diameter of new sphere when many of the spheres are melted and form a new sphere. Okay, this is about today. So I request you all, if you like my videos, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any comments, please comment me, and please I request you all to make more and more videos, and to encourage me, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share my videos to as many as people. Thank you.